Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the top stories. Police get 7 days remand for Sonia Torrado, says she did not answer all queries properly. Nadia's cell phone was used even after her death. Mickey remanded to 4 days police custody. Mickey allowed to attend monsoon session of assembly. Legal formalities yet to be completed. Parrikar says CM sitting over file suggesting transfer of drugs nexus case to the CBI. BJP might withdraw demand of sacking Ravi if the case is transferred to the central agency. Health Minister refuses to apologize to BJP MLAs. Can't commission Mapsa District Hospital by given deadline. BJP demands removal of Vishwajit from cabinet. Asian Junior silver medalist Ivana Furtado arrives. Panji-based chess star returns with another international medal in her impressive journey. And GFA all set to launch under-12 grassroots program in a month's time. Australian sports outreach program to fund ₹20 lakhs per year for 3 years. And now the news in detail. Madgaon JMFC court has given 7 days remand to Nadia's mother Sonia Torrado. Police have said that her custodial interrogation is required as she has not answered all the questions satisfactorily. Crime branch had arrested her on Thursday night. Nadia's mother Sonia Torrado is booked for culpable homicide not amounting to murder, abetment to suicide and destruction of evidence. Sonia was arrested by the crime branch on Thursday night. Same charges are applied for Mickey too in Nadia's death case. Judicial Magistrate First Class Court at Madgaon has remanded Sonia to 7 days police custody. Sonia's advocate appealed that she ought to be given judicial custody and not police custody. Crime branch had asked the court for 14 days police custody. Following are their arguments. Public prosecutors said Sonia has not given satisfactory answers to the queries raised by the crime branch. Nadia's mobile was used even after her death. More assets are to be taken into custody in Nadia's death case. Sonia was interrogated by the crime branch earlier. Sonia has applied for bail before the Sessions Court. It will be heard on Saturday. On the other side, opposition leader Manohar Parrikar alleged that police are cooking up the story.
But the way they are behaving, as if they are cooking up the story. That is I am not going into the merit of the case normally, but as a common man, I feel that what stopped you from taking that lady into custody 1 month back? She is not running away and I was asking for anticipatory bail. You allowed, if there was evidence, you allowed that evidence to be destroyed for last 1.5 months. What kind of investigation is this? For argument's sake, I agree that whatever the cases they have charged are true. Then your investigation had to be quick. Why so much delay in registering the complaint itself? It should have been registered the day Nadia took poison or was forced poison according to them.
Our reporter Lokik Shilkar, Samir Bhatt with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. Sessions Court has allowed Mickey Pacheco to attend the forthcoming monsoon session of Assembly, but the legal formalities are yet to be completed. However, he has not been granted bail by the High Court. Instead, Mickey has been remanded to more 4 days of police custody. Monsoon session of Assembly will commence from Monday. Court has allowed Mickey to attend the 15 days monsoon session, but the legal formalities are yet to be completed.
Assembly Mondayच्यान सुरू जाता जे गव्हर्नरान समन्स काडल्या ते तांचे कडेन ऑलरेडी सर्व जाल्ले आसा. So it is actually his prerogative to attend assembly. Of course, now investigating officer had sought clarification whether court's permission would be required. So we will consider the legal aspects involved in it, and by tomorrow we will take a decision whether we should file application before the court seeking permission to allow him to attend assembly, or whether it's a matter of course. We'll have to find out that. Because remand has been granted, police custody has been granted, so they wanted a clarification from the court itself, investigating officers.
Mickey's 7 days remand was over on 16th July. Mickey's advocate Amit Palekar had applied for bail before the High Court. Sessions Court had earlier rejected his bail plea. On Friday, High Court Judge N.A. Brito has again recused himself from hearing Mickey's bail application. Now, this application will be heard as per the directives of the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. Justice Brito had said, "Not before me," even last time when Mickey had applied for anticipatory bail in the High Court. Mickey's bail plea will be heard on Tuesday by Justice A.S. Oak in the High Court.
Regular bench is Justice N.A. Brito, so matter came up before him, but since he had last time also said he had recused from hearing the matter, he said not before me today. Accordingly, in the afternoon, the matter was mentioned before Justice A.S. Oak, and the matter will be heard on Monday at 4:30 by Justice A.S. Oak in the High Court. Mikik आज remand वाडोवपा खातीर police आयिल्ले JMFC court. We have opposed that. They were asking for 7 days police custody. Further, we have said that this is not necessary. Court has considered all the aspects and granted custody only till Monday. So he has to be for 4 days police custody has been granted, and he will have to be produced before the judge on Tuesday at 10 o'clock.
Our reporter in Panji Laukik Shilkar, in Madgaon Samir Bhatt with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Manohar Parrikar has alleged that CM is sitting over a file recommending transfer of drug nexus case to the CBI. He has said that BJP might withdraw the demand of sacking Ravi Naik from the cabinet if the case is handed over to the central agency.
Finally, Chief Minister is more responsible. Home Minister definitely, but Chief Minister is more responsible because file is stuck up with him. And file is finally went to the Chief Minister and is stuck up with him. I could not get it yesterday for ad hoc committee when I asked for the file. I want to know what are the advices given by various. They have destroyed that evidence also. Paper piece this will all come in the subsequent investigation.
Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar said that Ravi Naik and Chief Minister Digambar Kamath are resisting demands of handing over the drug nexus case to CBI.
There are official advice to the government of Goa where Chief Minister, and I am making this allegation, Chief Minister and Home Minister both have blocked that CBI inquiry be. Bail application jana advice gelle papers to various departments. There are very clear advices which says that the matter should be referred to CBI. That is Apex Court judgment.
Parrikar also made it clear that they might reconsider their demand of sacking Home Minister if the drug nexus case is handed over to the CBI.
We don't want any pressure from any quarters on the police. जब तक आप CBI के पास नहीं देते हैं तो उनका पोर्टफोलियो हटा दो. अगर आप CBI के पास दे दें, then the opposition may consider demand about his portfolio.
Our principal correspondent from Panji Murari Shetty with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.